What's up, guys, and thank you so much for tuning in to another video of As Always Aleia, where we always keep it real. Now, in this video, guys, I will be saying goodbye to my crochet hair because it is time to take this out. Alright, y'all, so this is my hair. Is kind of coming out already. I just took down all the crochets. It definitely grew a little bit, especially like in the back, but that's nice that you know that your hair is growing. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take down the rest of the braids, and I will see you guys soon. I do not want to bore you with this, and it's probably gonna take a while, so I'll be right back. Alright, guys, so I am back, and I finally have taken out all my cornrows, and my fro is popping. But I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair. I'm also going to do a deep condition and put a leave-in conditioner in it before I come back and see you guys. So I'll be right back. Well, I ain't gonna be right back. You know how long it takes to wash your hair. Girl, stop playing. But I'll be back after I'm done washing my hair. Deuces. So it's been about 2 days since I last was on here. I have been waiting for these products to come in the mail. A natural hair company reached out to me and told me that they wanted me to sample some of their products, so they sent them to me. I got them today, and I was able to try them out in the shower. And that is... I was sent the Diva by Cindy hair care collection. I was sent the KURL Pop Curl Hydration, the Leave-in Detangling Conditioner, and I also got a chance to try out the conditioner and the shampoo, the travel sizes, which was so awesome. So I'll talk a little bit more about that in this video. So Sydney is all about longer, healthier hair, and so am I. So I think that this collection pairs perfectly on what I'm trying to accomplish for my personal hair goals. I want longer, thicker, fuller, healthier hair. Like, that is like my overall goal with my hair journey. So I am right on board with what she's trying to do. And when I tried this shampoo, the first thing I smelled was mint. It smelled so good. It lit up my whole entire shower. I was able to refresh even as the shampoo was leaving out of my hair and washing down my body. It opened up my pores on my skin as well, and that's how refreshing this shampoo was to try. I am so happy I got a chance to try this out. It definitely cleansed my hair. I needed a good strong shampoo to go in and do the job because my hair has been in a protective style for about 3 weeks. Alright, so after I tried the shampoo, I did go in with the conditioner. I left the conditioner on my hair for maybe 10 or 15 minutes just as I washed my body. I kind of use it as a deep conditioner, really, and when I say it really penetrated my curls so well. I absolutely loved using the conditioner, and especially when you add water, that is when the product activates and starts working. And when I say it penetrated my curls, it really seeped into my coils and my hair. This conditioner was definitely the way to go, slash deep conditioner, because that's how I used it. But I did go ahead and wash it out, and I went in with the Leave-in Detangling Conditioner, and I got a chance to detangle my hair with this product, and I also got a chance to just leave it in. It's sitting in my hair right now. So as I go ahead and do my next styling process, I will be using this throughout my head, and my hair feels so clean. Alright, so before we go ahead and hop into the styling process, I do want to hop on her website really quickly so you guys can get a better grasp and a better feel for what Sydney's natural hair company and natural hair collection is all about. Y'all ready? Because I'm ready. Let's do this. Alright, guys, so you should see on your screen right now the Diva by Cindy homepage. I'm going to go ahead and just start scrolling down, and I'm going to click on the products that I was sent so I can go over them a little bit more, and that way I can better use the product as I'm going through my styling process. So let's go ahead and click on the KURL Pop Curl Hydration. Alright, so all it says is this leave-in formula will leave your curls soft, moisturized, and bouncy. Great for all curl types, can be used to define curls, twist, or reactivate curls. It's sulfate and paraben free. Alright, so I was also sent the Leave-in Detangler, so let's click on this one. Alright, guys, and I did use this in the shower, and I really did enjoy this. The Diva by Cindy Leave-in Detangler eliminates dryness, brittleness, and limpness, and is especially good on over processed dull hair. penetrates the hair shaft quickly while detangling and adding sheen, making excellent for fine, limp hair and ideal for wraps and roll sets. I also was sent the Purr-Fect Edges, so let's check this out. Now it says the Purr-Fect Edges is a unique styling tool for creating those special effects. Use it to silken, define and shine, enhance color, create wispy or spiked effects, whatever your artistic freedom imagines. Alright, so here are the travel sizes. I think the shampoo and the conditioner are in here. Alright, so she sent me the Stimulating Shampoo, and it says a truly unique therapeutic formula designed to gently, deeply cleanse hair and scalp. Contains special soothing agents combined to relieve itchy, flaky, and dry scalp. Commonly associated with dandruff, provides a pleasant, tingly sensation as you enjoy healthy hair and a rejuvenated scalp. And that's exactly what it did too. It definitely opened up and gave my hair that tingly feeling that I was telling you guys about. This shampoo pairs and works well with water. Soon as you apply the shampoo, apply some water on top of your hair, and that's going to activate the product. Alright, and last but not least, let's go ahead and hit this conditioner. Alright, so it says that this is designed to rebuild the moisture base, draws moisture to damaged areas to help prevent breakage, imparts a non-oily silky feel with a gloss sheen, and creates an invigorating and tingly sensation to the scalp. And again, that is exactly what it did. As soon as I used the conditioner, I definitely felt my scalp start to tingle. So her website is absolutely awesome. I cannot wait to just spend hours on here browsing around. I do see that she's in Sally's Beauty, so I'm definitely going to be checking it out in stores as well, just to get my hands on some more products. If you guys want to check out the Diva by Cindy, go ahead and hit up her website. I'll definitely have this linked below. Okay, and we're back. Let's go ahead and take out my hair. Y'all know I keep a plastic bag on my hair to keep all that moisture in. Don't play me. We're gonna go ahead with a simple good old twist out, and that's gonna be the style that we're doing, and we can really see how good these products work. Are you ready to put them to the test? Let's go. All right, so I am gonna go ahead and just take it out. Ooh, it's so soft and it smells good. Yeah, so this is my hair right out of the shower. All right, guys, so I do have my hair sectioned off. I'm actually gonna go ahead and knock out the back, and I will meet you guys in the front so you can see the products, see how it's actually working, and we'll put this thing all together. I will see you guys soon after I'm done the back of my head. Alright guys, so I am done the back of my head. That did take about 40 minutes for me to do. I absolutely love, oh my goodness, this KURL Pop Curl Hydration. You don't need any other product. This is a really one and done product, and I really like it. I did use a little bit more than half on the back section, so I hope I have enough to get to the front. But my favorite thing about this product is once you put it on towards the root, it can slide down your hair. You do not need to add more. I added a little bit of the leave-in spray and a little bit of the curl hydration and just smoothed it all the way down my hair, and I was able to twist up my hair. So I'm going to demonstrate that for you guys right now. Are you guys ready? Let's go. Here is the first section that we're going to work on. Alright, so here's my first section. The first thing I'm going to do is take the Leave-in Detangler. Here's how it looks right here. And we'll be going in with this product on this little piece right here. So just a couple pumps. And I smooth it in. And now, for the magic, I go in with the KURL Pop Curl Hydration. I just take a little bit on my finger. I think that's enough. And I'm gonna go ahead and just start right on my root. And then we can start to drag it down the hair, which is really nice. This is very, what's the word I'm looking for? It can glide down the hair so nice, and it's so shiny. It changed my hair to like a silkier, darker black. I'm very surprised. My hair was a little bit dull, and then right after I used this product, sorry, I'm looking for my brush. Right after I used this product, my hair bounced right back. So this was very nice. And I go ahead and just detangle. And then after I know my hair is all detangled, I can go ahead and start to separate it into two. Separate this into 2 halves, and then we can start to twist. This is a low manipulation style. Again, I would recommend doing something like this where you're not tugging or pulling at your hair too hard. This was definitely a very easy style for me to do. And if I need to add any more of the KURL Pop Hydration, I can add it on as I'm going down my hair. But it smells good. It's giving my hair that shine and the definition it needs. And I'm surprised that I only need one product to do this twist out. Pretty cool stuff. And that is the twist right there. Y'all, I am finally done. 50 twists later, they're all installed and they look phenomenal. I am blown away at this curl pop. This curl hydration is something that I definitely will be repurchasing. I mean, let's wait till the final results to see when it dries to give my final review. It has like a sticky, creamy texture. Like it's like a gel and a cream. It's not sticky, but it has like that gel consistency and a cream consistency as well. So it's like a 2-in-1, which is really good. I did wind up using like the whole thing. I'm not gonna lie, there's like nothing in there. There's like a little bit left. It says say goodbye to dry curls, and that's exactly what it did. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to sleep. I still do have the Purr-Fect Edges to put on, so I'll be doing this in the morning. And make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video so you can see the final results. All right guys, I'll see you in the morning. Hi guys, I am back and it is the next day. My hair is about 95% dry, so I'm gonna go ahead and start taking it out. Y'all, I'm so happy that I got a chance to try this collection. My hair feels so clean from the Stimulating Shampoo and the Stimulating Conditioner. The minty feeling that it left on my scalp was just amazing. And also the Leave-in Detangler and the KURL Pop Curl Hydration, which was just the main event of this whole entire video. I will definitely be repurchasing this. It just gave my hair all that slurp and moisture that it needed. But without further ado, let's go ahead and take out these twists, and I also will be putting the Purr-Fect Edges on my hair in just a second. All right guys, let's do this. Alright guys, so my hair is taken out and I am ready to go in with the Purr-Fect Edges. So let's start and let's see what's what. I'm loving this hairstyle and this combination. Very thick. It's like the first impressions. Wow. Okay, The swoops are on point. Wow, I'm like shocked that I didn't need a lot. It's pretty much stuck in place, and that was very interesting. Alright y'all, so my edges are laid and slayed, and this definitely is the perfect edges. Like this made it nice and tight, that hold, that shine, everything. So it's on there. I'm happy, I'm content, and these are the final looks. I am pretty much blown away by Diva by Cindy. This was a very, very nice hair care collection line to try. I don't know if I got a chance to show you guys her card earlier, but she did have one in her package. And again, this is available at Sally's Beauty, and you can purchase it online at her website. And I'll have everything tagged below for you guys. I love when companies put in a card. It's just like that extra special touch on your company that's your baby. So this is just a piece of your company with us. This is awesome. I'm definitely going to hold on to it and keep it, as I do with all of my collection cards. But y'all, here is the collection right here. Again, I am so happy I got a chance to try these out. I loved all these products right here, and also the shampoo and conditioner, which I just can't hold because my hands are full. But this was some really, really, really nice hair products. I definitely encourage you guys to go out and check it out. Again, I'll have everything linked below. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, you can comment below and just ask me, DM me. I'm here for you guys. And also, if you like this video and you want to see more content like this, please give this video a big thumbs up and go ahead and hit that subscribe button while you're at it as well. Alright guys, I am gonna let you guys go, but without further ado, my name is Aleia. This is As Always Aleia, where we always keep it real. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.